Oh, hello, beautiful. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, there you go. Wow. Wow. Hi loves, welcome back to Lavendaire. Life for me has been pretty messy and out of balance lately. I wanted to do a reset vlog tackling the areas of my life that I've neglected, but instead of taking just a day to reset, I'm gonna spend the entire week to slowly reset my life. I found this really cute glass vase, so I'm just gonna put the leaves on here. Although they're not gonna grow into plants because they don't have the stem, they will still stay alive if you keep them in water, so they're called zombie leaves. What do you guys think? It's cute. Looks like it's what's it called, lettuce, romaine lettuce or something. Oh, you look like a little bear. Hi, baby. Hello. Sit. Good boy. I am in need of a reset. I really would like a fresh start. I've been talking about this with you guys, but today I thought I would vlog for the next few days, just these activities that I'm doing to take care of the areas of my life that I have neglected. So I'm just slowing down as much as I can. And that is because for a while I've just felt tired. I felt burnt out. I think lately it's just been a period of transitioning, and lately it's just a lot of doubt and frustration and tiredness. I need a fresh start, and I'm gonna start from within. So taking care of myself, taking care of my space, and really not trying to put too much pressure or expectations on myself. That's it. Rather than trying to do it all at once, I'm planning to do a little each day because I believe it's important to focus on small actions rather than overwhelming yourself with big ones. Plus, I'm not in a super productive mood lately, so I just want to take it slow and be gentle with myself. Whatever I can do, I'll do. In essence, this is a slow reset vlog, one that is non-judgmental and completely accepting of whatever happens. I'm tired of forcing myself to do too much, and I'm over setting unnecessary expectations that would just make me feel bad about myself if I didn't meet them. I'm healing the part of me that thinks I have to be anything more than who I am right now. Here's a gentle reminder that you are enough as you are. Sure, some days are going to be better than others, but that's okay. Accept and embrace the imperfections and the fluctuations. Wherever you are right now is okay. Judging from the response on my past video, what to do when you feel like doing nothing, I think a lot of you can relate to this need to be gentler on ourselves. So this is me taking baby steps to feel better about myself and my life. Today, my reset activity is to exercise and move my body because that is one of the main areas that I've been neglecting for the past few months. I just got very unmotivated during lockdown to exercise, and actually a couple months ago, I started to get back pain from sitting too much. And I was shocked. I couldn't like pick myself up from getting out of bed. Like it was so painful that I would have to move slowly, and then I would just like do some yoga and stretch it out. But I've never experienced issues like that up until now. So that was like a big sign that I'm like, okay girl, you need to exercise again. You need to do yoga, you need to do cardio. I know it's been a while since I've like sweat a lot, so let's do it. I've actually been taking dance classes again through STEEZY. Thanks to STEEZY Studio for sponsoring this video. STEEZY Studio allows you to take dance classes from the comfort of your home. I'm more motivated to work out when it's fun and when I have an instructor guiding me. Dancing is great because it doesn't feel like working out. Plus, it has both physical and mental health benefits. It's fun, stress relieving, and always puts you in a better mood. STEEZY Studio has dance classes for all levels, so you can learn to dance even if you have zero experience. I love that there's a selection of dance workouts, routines, and workshops. Today, I'm dancing to a Blackpink playlist. Honestly, I am so proud to do this collab because I go way back with the STEEZY team. I've known STEEZY's co-founder, Evan, since my freshman year of college, and we danced on the same team for years. Here's a clip of us in 2014, the year I started Lavendaire and the year they started STEEZY. Wow, right? I also did a video with STEEZY a couple years ago talking about my dance story and my lessons on creativity. Bottom line, I am so proud of how my friends have grown this company and are bringing dance to more people worldwide. So if you guys want to bring more joy into your life through dance, try STEEZY Studio at the link in my description. Guys, I went hard on gel nail stickers. I just discovered this Korean nail brand, Ohora, so I'm trying it out for the first time. As someone who misses having her nails done, these sounded like a game changer. They're semi-cured gel nails that you stick on, so you finish curing them at home with a UV light, and then they feel like regular gel nails. I am obsessed. I chose this design with little eggs on them, and I think it is so cute. I don't know why, but I just feel so much better about myself when I have pretty nails. Okay, thank you. So Tuesday at 12?
16 at 12.
Okay, sounds good. Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.
Just made a hair appointment. I am going to change my hair. I'm tired of, I just need a refresh.
你这边 WiFi 的那个很强，但是我很多波哟。对。
Tucky, do you want to walk? Did you see how fast he got up? You want to walk? Let's go walk. Yeah? Hey guys, so it's been a week since I started this vlog, and to be honest, I do feel a little bit reset, but not completely. I'm still kind of tired. I mean, my hair is new. I do love the new hair. I feel very fresh. Out of the things that I wrote down that I wanted to do, the area that I felt most at was organizing. I didn't really get a chance to organize that much outside of what you saw. What I did really well at was taking Toki for walks. This is probably like the 5th or 6th time I've taken him since that first time I took him last week. So I've been taking him very often, and I've been dancing more, which has been fun. So I'm exercising more. My body feels healthier. I'm also doing that Liberation Korea challenge still. I think today is day 19. And things are going good, but I think the point is a full reset is never going to be perfect. Just do what you can, do your best, and then let it go. Like, accept it. I also love this idea that you don't have to force yourself. You don't have to try to change. You don't have to try to be productive. You don't have to try to meet this expectation you have for yourself in your head. All you have to do is just like breathe and let it go. Like, love yourself, do what you can, do your best. But beyond that, let it go. And change will happen. Growth will happen naturally because it's always happening. You know, change is the only constant. I think a lot of us feel that we can't grow or move forward if we don't do anything. Like, we always feel like we have to do something. We have to take action and try. But what if you didn't have to do anything? You're growing and changing every day, naturally. It's happening. Life happens and you learn lessons every day, you know? So instead of trying to force it and trying to force yourself, just live, you know, just live life, take it easy. I mean, do what you can. If you feel like doing nothing, do nothing. If you feel inspired and you want to do a lot, go for it. Hi, Toki. Toki bear. Toki baby. He's like, why are we not walking? I love you. I love you, baby. I cut his hair here, so which is why it looks very messy. I did it today.